Hey J babies, it's Jada Alexis here, and I'm back with another video. So let's get into this voiceover because you know I don't do them. So if I mess up, please bear with me because you know I don't do this. So firstly, I'm just showing you guys the hair. Now I'm showing you guys the bleach. You can get it from any beauty supply store. I don't recommend Walmart because a lot of people say Walmart, but our Walmart doesn't have it. So next, I'm going to show you the developer. It takes 30 minutes to bleach your hair. Now I'm going in with the Shimmer Light, showing you the Shimmer Light's conditioner and shampoo. So right now I'm, just combing out the wig, getting the tangles out. FYI, I did not like this wig. I do not like the hair. I just feel like this company is trash. No, they're not sponsored, but they're trash. But now I'm just putting the wig onto the wig head and getting prepared to bleach it. You guys, I messed up. I'm not supposed to be bleaching colored hair. I don't know why I did that. But hey, it didn't turn out wrong, so, Now I'm just pinning it up, 3 pins, one on both sides and one in the middle. And just pushing that thing down. Now I'm going to show you guys where I located the pin so you guys can locate your pins there also. Now I'm showing you guys I'm showing you guys how the pins look now. They're T-pins. You can get them from Amazon. You can get them from your local beauty supply store. They're very cheap. Now I'm showing you guys the cream and developer again. And now it's mixed together. Make sure it's a cake batter consistency. Not too loose, not too thick. But just thick enough to where once you pick it up with your broom, your knife, your spoon, it doesn't fall off. Now, we're bleaching it. What you want to do is start from the back. This goes for every closure. This goes for every frontal. It goes for everything. You want to start from the back of your wig, moving your way forward. Don't press hard into the wig. I know it looks like I'm pressing hard, but I promise I'm not. You start from the back. You get the back. But if you tend to not have a lot of cream and bleach, then just do the part where you mostly have your part at, because I know you can run out of bleach and cream. So just put it where your part is. Like I usually wear middle parts on frontals. So therefore, if I don't have enough cream, I just put it in the middle part, if you get what I'm saying. I know y'all get what I'm saying. Because I'm very, I'm new to this too. So I know y'all know what I'm saying, right? Right? Okay. And I know I'm a little country, y'all, but I know y'all understand what I'm saying. But y'all, I'm just, bleaching it up, Now I'm on the sides. I go horizontally. I think that's horizontally. I ain't been to school in a little minute. But, yeah, just, doing that. And, yeah, just watching it as y'all are watching it. I hope this voiceover doesn't sound stupid. I really think it does. I might need to start over, but I'm not. But yeah, you guys, I'm just bleaching the hair. Don't press hard into the hair, you guys. Please don't. Leave it in. Also, you guys, when you bleach your hair, leave it in for, it's depending on the cream. If the developer is a 20 volume developer, I don't know how to say it, but if it's a 20 volume developer, leave it in for 25 minutes. If it's 30, leave it in for 20. If it's 40, leave it in for 15. Mine was 30. I didn't even leave it in for 5 minutes because I don't bleach colored hair. So I messed up. This whole little process is stupid. So yeah, but I'm still showing you guys how to bleach, hair. So, just watch it still. Oh, yeah, and please watch the ads. Don't skip them ads because that's my shmoney. And I'm trying to move to ATL. I'm trying to get better content for y'all. And y'all know the predicament I'm in. I'm trying to go. I'm trying to leave. So after I found out what I did was very stupid, I hurried and washed it out. And now I'm combing it out. I washed, the bleaching out and everything. And I'm just combing those tangles out. And the hair is wet and it's washed with the Shimmer Lights. So now I'm putting the pins in again, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, because I'm fixing to start blow drying it. And sorry you guys if you hear a blow dryer in the background. My aunt is blow drying. My aunt is drying clothes. This voiceover is a hot mess. But please, y'all, this is my second voiceover. That's very long. But yeah. Right now, I'm brushing the hair. It's blow dried now. I'm brushing it out. Just brushing it out. Now, I wet the front of it, and now I'm plucking. I just pluck according to myself, you guys. I don't pluck based on others. I just pluck to where it looks cute on me. So I'm just plucking because I want a very seamless hairline, because my hairline is very seamless and I have tons of baby hair. So therefore I will never wear a wig that does not have baby hair, because my actual hair, I have so much baby hair. So I'm bringing the baby you bringing the what? I'm bringing the baby hair to the front, and I'm fixing to start plucking behind the baby hair. I should have plucked more, you guys, but it was 3 o'clock in the morning, you guys. I'm talking about I was tired. I was so tired, y'all. But, I'm combing those baby hairs to the front so I can get the plucking behind the baby hairs. And please don't come for me, y'all, because I'm very new to this. I just started this like last month. So don't be coming in my hair. Don't be coming in our comments about some hair, y'all, because I really don't be knowing what I'm doing. But it be coming out cute. So that's all that matter. Period. So I'm putting the isotope. What, Jada? What? I'm putting the Iso Plus on the... Oh, my God, y'all. I just need to stop this voiceover. But I'm putting the Iso Plus at the beginning of the baby hairs, and I'm finna start plucking again. At first, I was using water because I couldn't find the Iso Plus, but then I found the Iso Plus, so I start using it. Now I'm showing you guys the finished product, which looks like trash. Hee hee. Now I got to start on the other side. Yay! Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm doing the exact same steps that I did on the other side, you guys. So this voiceover is done. I know y'all probably sick of this voiceover, but now I am fixing to start talking, you guys. So without further ado, get into the video. You guys, so my bad if the background's a little, trash. But hey, I'm giving y'all what I got. Y'all know that's just what we're going to do. Okay, so this is what I didn't record this part, but I used this, a stocking cap that matches your color skin, your color scalp. I put it on. I sprayed this on it, and then I then dried it. I poked the hole on both sides of the ears. When you put the stocking cap on, it's gonna go over your ears. I poked the hole in both ears. Then I sprayed more on. I dried it thoroughly. Then I cut it to match my head shape. I already tried a flat iron. I told y'all I don't really know how to do hair. I just don't want to spend money on other people doing my hair. So I put this inside of the wig and on top of the stocking cap. Then I use this with a cotton pad to wipe the excess off. And now I'm gonna put the wig on because I put the glue, boho active. I put 2 layers. I waited until it was clear, and now I'm gonna put it on. because this is only like my 4th wig I've installed, 5th. And I just be going with the flow. I'm trying this new method. I did it on the curly wig previously. If I'm not lazy, I'll insert a clip right here. And yeah, I did that and it came out flawless. So this is the new method I'm trying. Basically, you don't cut the lace and then glue down. You glue down, then cut the lace to your liking. And it came out way better that way. So that's the way I'm going to do it. Then I'm going to put this on. This is called Rapid Styling Wraps. Styling strips. And it came from Amazon. Hello, hammers. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't need curdle. Boom, y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 15 minutes, yeah. Alright, y'all. So it's been really like 2 hours. But, hey. Like this thumbnail. Okay. So now what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'm sorry if the mirror dirty, but this ain't my bathroom. I mean, it's kind of like the wrong mindset to have, right? But I'm gonna cut the lace in 4 sections. So now I'm gonna go in with my alcohol-free Isopus foam wrap mousse lotion, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna put it on there. I put it on there because it's alcohol-free, so therefore it's not gonna live up the lace. Boom, I'm done. I'm kind of feeling it now. You know, I'm kind of feeling it now. It's kind of cute now. But yes, you guys, that is how I did this wig. I was just pissed off. I really can't see, so that's why I was pissed off. But it's cute now. So if I'm giving off very, lazy vibes in this video, it's because I'm tired, you guys. And I was debating on, should I do the wig in the morning or just do it right then. So now I regret it. And I should have did it in the morning, but then I wasn't gonna be. I have to do like 2-3 videos tomorrow. So I was just like, I do not feel like doing my hair on top of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. I really do. Don't even like think about the lazy vibes in the video. Just don't grasp it, you know. Be blessed, never stressed. I love you guys. Don't forget to follow my social medias, like I said. And I love you guys. Be blessed, never stressed. Period.